Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to do tooth gems the proper way, okay? We're not going to use no lash glue or anything crazy like that because we're dealing with our teeth, so we want to use safe products. Tooth gems are basically like or you can call it dental bling. It's basically gems that are put on your teeth with an adhesive dental grade products, and you'll see the entire process in this video. I hope you all enjoy. Like and comment and subscribe. Okay, so I have my gloves on, so I'm gonna show you everything that I have that you're gonna need to do tooth gems. So first, I'm going to show you my fake mouth. This is where I'm going to demonstrate how to apply tooth gems. And there's already designs on there because I had to do designs before I got my certificate. And then I'm going to show you the Etch gel. Etch gel. That's one of the gels that we'll be using. I'll go more into detail later. And then this is a flowable composite gel that we will also be using in this process. And then now I'm going to show you what we need. Micro brushes. You need micro brushes. You're going to need cotton rolls. You're going to need those. And then you have your bond, your adhesive. That's your adhesive. And then there's your UV light, and it has that orange thing is where you're going to look through. Then you have your protectant glasses for your clients. You're going to make sure that they have the protectant glasses on before you use the UV light, because the UV light can damage their eyes and your eyes, so please be careful. Then you're going to have a mouth, not a mouth guard. Y'all already know what that is. It's for your mouth, for your clients to open up their mouth, make sure that, their lips are not in the way. Then I have a little jar of Vaseline. I use the Vaseline with the micro brush to pick up the gems. You'll see later in the video. And then I have my gems. There's only a few in there because I'm not done organizing them. But yeah, you're going to need your gems ready and prepared for your client. There you go. I have like different sizes as well. All right, now let's get into the video. I have my little glass of water over here. And now okay, you're going to want to have 2 micro brushes on your tray. You're going to want to have 3 cotton rolls on your tray as well. And also make sure you have your UV light on your tray. Take your bond out of your container, by which is what I'm doing right now. Taking the bond out of the container, putting it on my tray, on my bib. Make sure you have a mouth retractor for your client. These are disposable. After your client is done with that, throw it away. Make sure you have your UV light, your little water, little cup, and you're good. Okay, first things first, you and your client are going to discuss where they want the design. So the client is going to tell you where they want the design. For example, so I'm gonna put the tooth over here. So let's say they want design on this tooth right here. Cool. We're gonna do like a little outline at the bottom. So that means we're gonna have to use one of our smallest gems. Cool. So we already know what design that the client wants. Now we're going to tell the client. You can either tell the client to put on the glasses, on the protectant glasses beforehand or during, before you use the light. I think I'm just gonna have them put on the glasses. Make sure, before all of this, make sure you sanitize. Sanitize the table, sanitize your tray, and then you're gonna put your bib, and then you're gonna put all of the items that you need on here. So we picked this tooth. We're gonna do like a little outline. So I'm gonna take out your gems so they're already prepared for your client. So I'm gonna use these tiny ones in here. You can't really see that well, but so I'm gonna take them out. I'm going to grab one of my cotton swabs, right? And your mouth is wet and slimy. Here I have my little cup full of water. So this here, you can just dip one side in water, and then now you're gonna wipe down, wipe down, wipe down, wipe down. Go to the other side, the dry side. Wipe, wipe. Make sure it's dry, the area. Cool, it's good. I'm gonna put the cotton swab that I already used over there. And then now I'm going to start with my Etch. I'm going to start with my Etch. It's 37 phosphoric acid. So with this, you wanna make sure that you do not get this on the gums, because if you get this on your client's gums, it will burn. They will have like a burning sensation, and you definitely don't want that. So just be careful, mindful. So anyways, I have my tips over here. So the blue tip goes for the Etch. So the Etch gel it will harden your tooth. So it will harden your tooth because it's going to prepare it for the bond, which is the adhesive. So for example, you can kind of call it like the cleansing gel, the before gel that prepares it for the adhesive. So that's what it is. Come to the tooth that your client wanted, and you're gonna kind of like make little circles of the design, make it a little bit bigger than the actual gem. So this is where it becomes hard. You can use 2 teeth, 2 hands, sorry, not 2 teeth. But I'm gonna try to get like a better view for you guys. This is like the hardest part. Boom, boom. And don't put it too at the edge, but you know, try to put it there. So with this, you only want this on for 20 seconds. So you're gonna count to 20, 18, 19, 20. Now you're gonna grab another cotton swab, and you are going to, it's dry, you're going to wipe it off. Wipe it off, grab the other side, dip it in some water, because you wanna make sure you have it all off. You wanna make sure you have all of that gel off. You're gonna wipe it again. Then you're gonna wipe it with the dry side. Make sure it's all dry. Perfect. Now we're gonna put this over here. Now we're gonna go in with our bond. Total Etch Light Cure Adhesive. So this is actually your adhesive. The flowable composite, it very much like, at the end, it holds everything together. So here you go. You have your bond. You only need a tiny bit. Okay. You're gonna grab one of your micro brushes. Here you go. Ooh, there you go, see? Perfecto. Perfect. Now you have it. Now you're gonna go to your tooth and basically do what you did last time. Do the outline. There you go. Boom, 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 boom. Now you're gonna grab your UV light. You're gonna grab your light. Remember to look through here, and remember to make sure that your clients put on their protectant glasses. So now you're gonna put the UV light on it for about 10 seconds. You know, you could do 5 seconds or 10 seconds. I'm gonna do 5. So this automatically goes, hold on, I have to change it. 10. So I'm gonna do 5 seconds. Or you can do 10. There you go. Cool. There we go. Now we're gonna grab our flowable composite. So I have to put the needle on. So let's take that off. So with this, you always want to change this after each client for sanitary purposes. I should have put this needle on beforehand before I started on the client, but that's okay. This is not a real client. I'm gonna do basically what I did with the Etch. You're gonna do an outline, And by the way, the more, like, you know how the saying goes, the more the merrier? No. In this case, you don't want to put too much adhesive or too much flowable composite, because it can do the opposite effect and make the retention of your gems not last. Just like a white clear type of one. It's like an egg white almost, really. Okay. Okay, cool. There you have it. Now you're gonna have your little thing of Vaseline, because this helps stick, this helps pick up your gems. You're gonna pick up your second micro brush, the clean one that you haven't used, and you're not gonna use the brush side. You're gonna use this side. Now you're gonna dip it in some Vaseline, just a little bit. You don't need a lot. There, some Vaseline at the end. Now you're gonna grab your gems. Sorry, y'all. Ooh, see, I don't know if you can see it or not. There. Now you're gonna place it on the tooth very carefully. Boom. Boom. Okay, so after you clean up the composite around the gems, and you confirm with your client that they like this placement, if your client likes the placement, now you're gonna grab your UV light. You're going to turn it on for 20 seconds, and you're gonna do 20 seconds in each corner, here, here, above, and below for 20 seconds. So we're gonna do that. Now that you're done, you're gonna grab your last clean cotton roll and you're gonna dip it in water. Now you're gonna press really hard down to make sure. Yep. There. Here's the design. Right there. Pretty. Yay. Thank you all for watching. I hope you guys like and subscribe.